Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you something that literally saved me hours of work. Google Colab plus Gemini, combo of legends. So if you're working on a college project or doing analysis, stick till the end. I'll show you step by step how I use this tool for multiple questions. Let's go! So first, I opened Google and searched Google Colab. I clicked on the official website. Always pick the safe one, not the shady ads, okay? Now once Colab opened, I went to the Files tab and clicked New Notebook in Drive. Simple. It opened a fresh new notebook ready for action. Then I clicked on Analyze Files with Gemini. Now to upload the data file, I clicked the plus icon in the chat bar and selected my file. And entered my prompt. This time I will show you the question about descriptive statistics. Then clicked Send. And now the fun begins. Gemini quickly read the file and generated a full plan for analyzing the data. I read the plan and it looked good, so I clicked Execute Plan. But wait, since I had many sessions open earlier, yes, I forget to close stuff. It told me to terminate the previous session. No big deal. I clicked that delete icons and then again clicked Execute Plan. And now, it started executing. Just look at it, writing code, running it, and doing all the calculations I needed, like a mini data scientist in my screen. After it was done, it gave me a clean summary, proper analysis written in human language. You can just copy and paste it wherever you want. Gemini is doing homework for us. Then I solved the next question, Graphical Representation. Same thing, I uploaded the file again and typed a prompt to create graphs. Then it started writing code, running it, and doing all the calculations. It created charts, beautiful ones, bar graphs. At the end, again, it gave a summary explaining the visuals. If you want to download charts, just right-click and copy image. Or just save image as. Too easy! Now comes the cross-tabulation question. Uploaded the same file, entered my prompt again, and Gemini built the table, created supporting charts, and dropped another summary. It's like, you relax, I'll work. Next, I solved the chi-square analysis question, typed the prompt, and boom! Gemini started coding again, calculated the stats, created a table, and finally explained whether the result is significant or not. It's giving proper test output, like a textbook example. Then I went for the reliability test, Cronbach's alpha. After uploading the file and sending the prompt, Gemini went wild. Graphs started popping. It looked like it downloaded something heavy, and the code looked intense. I was like, what is going on? But at the end, it neatly gave me the reliability score with a summary. Even if I didn't get the graphs, I got my answer. Now let's talk about the KMO test. Again, uploaded the file, typed the KMO test prompt, and watched it go. Bar graphs appeared, code executed, summary given, and it clearly said whether factor analysis was suitable or not. That's so helpful. And now, the final boss, factor analysis. I entered the prompt, and bro, it started coding like crazy. It created tables, bar graphs, something that looked like a circle dot scatter galaxy. I didn't even understand half of it, but it looked so advanced I felt like a scientist. And guess what? After all that, it gave me a proper summary of the factor analysis. So yeah, every time I just uploaded the file, gave a simple prompt, and Gemini handled everything, code, charts, summaries, on its own. And that's it, my friends. If you've got data to analyze, for college, research, whatever, this is the easiest way to do it. No coding required, no stress, just you, Gemini, a few clicks and project done. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your groupmates who are still typing stats manually. More helpful AI videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Till then, stay smart and let AI do the hard work.